Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Buddy from Superkitties. So before we get started, it would be awesome if you could leave a like on this video and maybe comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. Alright, so let's start drawing Buddy. I'm going to start with the eyes and do a circle. He's got great big eyes. All of the Superkitties do. And I'm going to do a thick top part of the eye here and color that in dark. And then I'm going to do like a little pointed eyelash here on the side. Okay, now I'm going to do another big curve and a circle and a great big circle. That great big circle, we can color that in all dark. Right now I'm just kind of scribbling this in with my pen, but later when I'm actually coloring the picture, I'm going to go over it with a black marker. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to give a little bit of space and do the other eye. So very similar to what we just did. Great big circle. And then the top part of it is a thick black. And then of course the little pointy eyelash here on the side. And then big curve, circle, and a big inside circle here, and we're going to color that one in all dark. All right, now I'm going to do a little nose here in between and under the eyes. It's going to be like a little upside down triangle. And I'm going to do like a little dot there and a little dot there for like two little nostrils. And just like a little line going halfway up the nose. Now we can do a cute little mouth, just kind of like the shape of a wave. And I'm going to do just little lines there on the ends of our wave. All right, now we can do the mask. So the eyes are in the mask. So I'm going to start above the eye and come on down and come on back up. And right here, we're going to make a point. And then come on down, curve, and come on up above the nose, under the other eye, and come on up and meet at that point. All right, so I'm gonna do that entire shape again because when we're coloring it, the main color of the mask is orange, but then it's got a trim. It's got a little bit of blue going around it. So I'm just gonna follow the same shape of the mask I did a moment ago. Okay, so next let's do the shape of the head. So I'm going to start above the mask and to the top of the head like that. And then come on down here on the sides. And curve here for like a little cheek. Down here, we're going to do the same thing. And then just follow right here, this line. Okay, now we need ears. So two triangle shaped ears. 1 and 2, and we're going to do like a little triangle inside those shapes. So 1 and 2. All right, so now right here I'm going to kind of do a little line coming down this way, but I made it really kind of sketchy, didn't I? And it's going to go across, like underneath the eye mask here, and come on out this way. And over here, we're going to do the same thing. And it's going to come out under right here. So it's just when we're coloring Buddy, one side here goes one color, this one goes another color, and in here, this is going to be left white. All right, so now let's work on the suit, Buddy's outfit. So I'm going to do a heart right here. It's got like a little heart on the chest. And that's in the shape of a cat head. So I'm going to do the top right there. Come on down. And the cat ears. Okay, now we can do an arm. So it's going to be an elbow, and we're bringing the arm in. It's going to be like a hand on the hip. And then bring a line up. Bring this one down this way. And we can do like 1, 2, 3 fingers. And we can have a little thumb. And then bring this line down. Now we're going to do a line right here. And we're going to have like a little rectangle here. And another line. Then on this glove, we're going to do 1, 2, 3 circles. Here on the shoulder, we can do a little line and another one following that. Now over here on this side, let's do a line coming on down. So right here where the glove is, we can bring a line going this way to start the belt, and another one. And then we're going to do a long rectangle like that. And right here, we can start with a little bit of a funny curve. And I'm going to do another one like that. A little one on this side. And let's do the legs here now. So let's bring a line down. And we can have like a little boot. And then bring this line up. And go forward this way. And then bring a line down here. And have a line coming inward that way. Or slanting, I mean. And another little boot. And we can do a line here and another line. Same over here, one line and another line. This right here, we're gonna continue on underneath the belt. It's gonna go all the way down here to the boot. And another one over here, same thing. Okay, so now we're going to do another hand on the hip. And if I'm going too fast, you can just pause the video and give yourself a minute to catch up. No problem. A little curve here and one here. And we can't really see the little circles on the glove here because it's kind of covered by the body. But we need a tail. We're almost done. We need a tail. So let's curve on up and bring that back. And I'm going to do a few strokes of fur right here and right here. All right, so now we are finished the drawing, and I'm going to start with the coloring. All right, so that is it for our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for our next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.